what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Faiza. If you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a very colorful eye using this carnival palette. So I don't want to waste any time. I'm so excited for this look, so let's just get right into the video. So first of all, I'm just starting off with that concealer. I've already prepped my skin. No concealer, sorry. I'm going to be putting up a primer on first of all. Okay, so I am applying the primer all over my face, including my neck, to make sure that I don't see any pores with the makeup on. So and then I'm going in with the MAC concealer on my eyelids to make sure they're fully covered and the eyeshadow sits nicely, and then obviously setting it with the translucent powder. Okay, so and then I'm using this carnival palette, taking this purplish shade and applying it on both of the sides like this. Usually you would do it with the old, the old school makeup, the brush thing that it was not a brush, it was like a small sponge that you used to get. Usually we would do with that, but I didn't have that, so I'm using a brush. And then I went in with this bluish shade and then this pinkish shade with the brush. So with the brush you slide it, and then you had to, obviously, to build up the coverage, you have to dab it on. And then I went in with this orange color towards the inner corner on both sides. As you can see, I'm just dabbing it on like this. So for the coverage you need to dab it on. So this is how it's looking like. And then I'm going in with my highlighter palette, and then I'm going in with that shade. So that shade is like a multicolor aata hai uske andar, right? So that's why I used it, because it's a colorful eye look. And then I just started blending it. This blue color was giving me a hard time. It would not blend. And obviously as I was blending it, सारे जो colors के pigments थे वो भी जा रहे थे. So as I went, I had to obviously top it up with more eyeshadow. I had to keep going back in with more eyeshadows and keep topping it up. So here I am, obviously taking a big fluffy brush, trying to make sure, okay, everything it just blends perfectly. So as you can see, I'm topping up this pink shade because this pink wouldn't stay on, it kept coming off. And at this point my eyes were just looking like a mess, and I thought, okay, this makeup video is gonna be a flop. So I was like, let's just wipe my under eyes and see if it makes any difference, and still didn't. And then obviously I went in with that concealer brush on top of that blue color to just make it light a little bit, and just cleaning it from the bottom. I had no hope that this was gonna work. So I went on with the under eyes with the darkest shade that I took, and then obviously in the inner corners I went in with the pink. And then I taken a big fluffy brush and then blending it all together, and eventually the whole eye look came together. I'm just dusting off from under eye any fallout I have, just dusting that off. And then once again I'm going in with this concealer brush, making sure that the blue eye, it blends in perfectly. As you can see, and then at this point I thought this is the best I'm gonna get, and I've done the rest of my face. That was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is very nice and easy, but it does require a lot of blending. Like this blue color was really hard to blend, so you will see in the video like how much blending I've done. But yeah, it's such a fun look. So what I've done is I went with heavy eyes to my actual base is very light coverage, and I went with like lip gloss literally, so it doesn't look too heavy. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys like it. If you do, make sure you do give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe.